Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Blackview Tab 12 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, you need to tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. Tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. And following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Blackview. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. In some of those categories though, you need to hit Allow a couple of times and then access your files. Now click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you prefer. If you wish to input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then hit Download after Watch Add to connect. If you want to scan this QR code though, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. And allow camera access in the pop-up. Last but not least, point your device's camera at the code to connect. As you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!